In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in Outlook. A professional email signature helps your messages look polished and gives recipients quick access to your key details like your role and contact links. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to Microsoft.com. This is the home base for all Microsoft services. Once you're there, look for the All Microsoft option. Clicking this opens a list of products and services. From that list, choose Outlook to head straight into your email on the web. Next, click Sign In. Use your existing Microsoft or work account to access your mailbox. After you've signed in, open Settings. This is typically the gear icon in the top corner. Inside Settings, select Account to view account-related options, and then choose Signatures. This is where you'll create and manage how your signature appears at the bottom of your messages. Now, type your signature name. Think of this as a label that helps you identify this signature later, especially if you plan to keep more than one. With the name set, you can build the signature itself. You can add text, images, and format it to match your personal or company style. A clean structure usually includes your full name, job title, company or team name, and a link to your website or professional profile. Keep images lightweight so emails load quickly, and consider simple formatting like bold for your name and consistent font sizes for readability. If you add a logo or icon, make sure it's not too large and that it still looks good on mobile screens. Once your content looks right, choose the default signatures that will be used for new messages, replies, and forwards. Many people prefer a fuller signature on new messages and a shorter version for replies and forwards to keep conversations tidy. If you don't want a signature to appear automatically, you can set the default to none and insert it manually whenever you need it. When everything is set, click Save. This locks in your changes so your signature appears exactly the way you designed it. From here on, your new selections will apply based on the defaults you chose, and your emails will carry a consistent professional sign-off. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.